from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Updates on the planned construction of a Sheetz on Staples Mill Road and renovations to the Tuckahoe Little League complex. We'll tell you about both of those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Thursday, October 5th, 2023. It's brought to you today by Miracles in Motion.
And now for the news.
Those planned upgrades at Tuckahoe Little League are getting a significant boost thanks to additional funding. The original plans called for about $16 million worth of renovation, but now the project will total somewhere between $20 and $25 million, according to county officials. The expanded plans are a result of the Little League and county agreeing to combine those previous plans with additional recommendations requested by the Little League. In addition to 2 new turf baseball fields with lights, a new park access road, and new entrance off John Rolfe Parkway that were all originally planned, the expansion will now fund new irrigation systems, upgrades to the current concession and restroom facilities, and spectator upgrades like covered seating areas, although it's not yet known which fields those will go on. You can read much more about the project right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. The plans for a Sheetz store on Staples Mill Road in Henrico are back in motion after being put on hold about a year ago. On Tuesday, developers from the Rebke Company held a community meeting to talk about what has changed since that initial proposal was put into a holding pattern last November. The proposal will come before the Planning Commission in November. An attorney representing the developer talked about changes that had been made to address some of the public's concerns about safety, sound, and light, which include adjusted hours of construction and limit to music and speakers, as well as putting a fence on property near the homes. Now you can read more about the proposal from our partners at WTVR TV6. You can find that article right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. And this Saturday is Glen Allen Day, hosted by the Glen Allen Ruritan Club and Henrico Recreation and Parks. The event begins with a parade at 9:30 at the intersection of John Cussons Drive and Mountain Road that travels into Meadow Farm. And that's followed from 10:30 to 3 by a vendor fair, food trucks, stage entertainment, and other family activities inside the park. The event is free. There will be more than 100 vendors and several food stands as part of it. Should be a good day for the festivities, so hope you can make your way out there. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Miracles in Motion, Special Needs Dance Studio, which is seeking dancers and volunteers of all ages to participate in their new dance season. Visit miraclesinmotionva.org for more information on this fascinating program that provides a fun, safe place for people with special needs to shine. Miracles in Motion provides quality dance instruction to the special needs community. That website again is miraclesinmotionva.org. Come dance with us.